We're at 3838 Weatherstone Circle. This is in Pensacola off Gulf Beach Highway. Entering into our front door here, to our immediate right, we have a coat closet. Directly in front of us, we have our kitchen, dining room, and living room. First, we'll go to the kitchen. So we have all stainless steel appliances, nice good sized pantry as well, granite countertops and bar top seating. Now, directly off of the kitchen, we have our entrance from our 2-car garage and our washer and dryer laundry room. So here is that. And then turning around, you can see our pantry. Continuing on into the home, here is our formal dining area and living area. We have a double window for extra lighting, back door to our enclosed yard. Vaulted ceilings in here makes it nice and open. Now this is a split floor plan, so the master is on one side of the home and the other bedrooms are on the opposite. So we're gonna go to the master first. So we are just off the formal dining area here. This is on the front left of the home. Got 2 good windows in here for lighting. And then we have our attached bathroom with a walk-in closet, double sink vanity, soaker tub, and walk-in shower. Here is our soaker tub, another window for some more lighting. There is our walk-in shower. There's our vanity again. Now behind our main entrance to this bathroom, we have our walk-in closet. Lots of good storage space in here. Coming back out now, we'll go to the other bedrooms and bathroom. Heading back through our master bedroom now. Cutting across our dining area, we're gonna come to a short hallway and we're gonna take a left towards the back side of the home. So here is guest bedroom number 1. Sits on the back of the home with a window looking into our backyard with our preserve. Good sized closet for all of the guest bedrooms as well. And then here is bedroom number 3, also on the back side of the home. And then we have our closet by our main entry door there. Again, carpeting continues through these bedrooms. Next up, we have our guest bathroom. So we'll take a turn here. Nice tub shower combo, good size vanity with some extra storage. And then coming back out, here is bedroom number 4. This is the largest of the guest bedrooms. And we have a good size closet in here as well. This is on the far right side of the home. Heading back out towards the living room, we'll take you to the backyard. So we're gonna go through our living space here. There are no backside neighbors on this property. You look into a preserve area, and the yard does wrap all the way around the property. We'll walk over there and show you that, but this is your view out of your backyard. And then here is the other side of that yard. We'll turn you around so you can see the back of the home here. Heading back inside. Again, this is 3838 Weatherstone Circle, offered by Barron's Property Managers, 850-934-2588. You can also view it at barronspm.com.